Hi guys, my name is Dan Lee, but my teammate called me Bad Daddy, and that's my call sign for Team White Fangs. Recently, we conquered Makati War Zone. As a gunsmith, my objective is to make sure that everyone's my teammate unit is functional during that game. As a coach, I also make sure that everyone's my teammate is in line to conquer our goal. Ready? Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, as a gunsmith, my function is to make my every teammates during that game, everyone's guns is functionable. Katulad nga na kanina, hindi namin expect na yung mga kalaban namin high upgraded, but our gun is functionable and still conquer.